What's up, internet? Happy iPhone day. I am super excited to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro. I'm coming from the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I am a little concerned about the size, only because I have really enjoyed the 14 Pro Max, but the phone was very big. I'm really hoping that this size is not too small. And I'm also a little upset that Apple withheld some camera features from the smaller Pro and saved it for the 15 Pro Max. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. I think you guys are gonna love this color. I don't see too many people picking this one up. The box is pretty standard. They didn't do a black box this time, which they did. And of course, the unboxing process is pretty simple. You know, pull off the tabs. Oh my gosh. So I went with the white and titanium, and man, this looks good. Wow. Okay. All right, let's move on. All right, so the titanium band is something that I'm pretty used to, mostly because I have the Apple Watch Ultra, and it has a titanium casing on it. It's a little bit different as far as the finish, but it is still titanium. And so I was really interested to see how tough this is. So the camera modules on the back, it looks a little bit about the same size. And the two major design features are, of course, this action button right here. Wow. And the USB-C port at the bottom. And I'm really happy to see that. I'm excited to see what I can do. You can also do a external SSD drive, so an external hard drive. You can plug it up to your iPhone Pro and you can record directly to it. That is huge. I mean, the memory inside of these iPhones are not that big. You could spend a lot of money trying to go all the way up to the 1 terabyte. I opted for the 256 model because I had a 1 terabyte 14 Pro Max and I only went up to about 480, 500. I think I can do a lot better than that because I really got carried away with recording video and exporting video. So I think that 256 is a good size. We'll see. I'll let you guys know in a future review or update. But let's go ahead and get to the main attraction, and that is pulling this plastic off. Because I know. Pretty satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty good. This is it. Unboxing and first impressions over. I'm just playing. Honestly, right now I can tell you that the feeling of the titanium is very, very light. It's really nice. If you are obviously an Apple person or an Apple fanboy like I am, I know you're probably gonna upgrade every year regardless. If you're someone who is really interested in this review because you wanna know if this is worth the upgrade, I kind of talked about that a little bit in my live stream. So I'm not saying to go back and watch the whole thing, but I do have some thoughts on if this is going to be a good upgrade. Obviously, from year to year, upgrades are not that important, but I really think that you can, oh wow. I always love that new chime that comes on. From year to year, the upgrades really don't matter. It's really mostly about the new features on this one with the action button and the USB-C. If you're someone who's been holding out on upgrading, maybe because you have an iPhone 12 or an 11, and you've been waiting for this upgrade for USB-C, I think this is a good time to get one. I also think that if you are a content creator and you need the best device, I think the Pros are a really good option. The cameras are really good. The video editing capability is really good. Apple is also allowing you to shoot in log, which is a flat color profile that allows you to get the colors that you really want. So you can really make your footage look unique and even match it to some really expensive cameras like what I have right here. I'm shooting with the Sony FX30, and I'm really curious to see if I can make my iPhone footage look just like or close to the FX30. Also in the box, you're gonna get the USB-C cable. It is braided this time. Everyone knows that the Apple Lightning cables were not that durable, but I'm really curious to see how well these last. And hopefully these don't become another meme. I think that Apple has done right by including a braided cable. And it's also probably better for the environment because I'm pretty sure those lightning cables ended up in a landfill somewhere. Also in the box, you're going to get the standard Apple stickers. You're also going to get a notice that these phones no longer use a physical SIM card. iPhone switched over to eSIMs a few generations ago. An eSIM is essentially a electronic SIM that is integrated directly into your phone. So you no longer need to put a little card into the side of your phone. On the side is absolutely nothing, just an antenna and no SIM card slot. Every new iPhone comes with iOS 17. So if you are looking for an update on your phone, I would most likely update the current phone that you have. You will be able to take care of a lot of the new features. The new iPhone 14 and 15 both come with the new iPhone 14 and 15 come with the new dynamic island. And if you have not seen that in store or in person, the dynamic island is amazing. It's probably one of my favorite features that you can get on the iPhone. It really differentiates it from other competitors out there. And it also does a really good job of utilizing the real estate. I will talk about iOS 17 in a later video. And I'll also have a lot of content coming out on the iPhone 15 and of course the Apple Watch Ultra 2. These are my first impressions. I know that everyone is throwing out videos right now on unboxings and first impressions, but I definitely wanted to let you guys know what I'm thinking, especially coming from the 14 Pro Max. I'm very happy with my purchase. If you are used to a larger phone, I think that the 15 Pro is a good option. Don't be scared of stepping down into the basic iPhone 15. And the only reason why I'm calling it basic is because it is not the Pro. I'm gonna cut this short. I'm losing my voice. I was coaching soccer today and yelling a lot. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay up.